Hey there. I've talked to about 40 enterprises now about AHA Builder, and here are the top 10 takeaways so far. I like the first one. I'm a serious guy, and what we've heard is building business applications is serious work. It's built on thought, not vibes. Number two, developing is now the easy part. Deciding what to build is the real work. Strategy first is non-negotiable, even in an AI world. Number four, product managers are now product builders, and that shifts team dynamics. Everything changes and nothing changes at the same time. That might be one of my favorite of the 10. Number six is treat AI like a brilliant but very, very green teammate. Number seven, governance and support are now part of the product job, for better or worse. AI is a sharp co-pilot, not just a code generator. Number nine, the real leverage is at the seams, integrating strategy, ideas, and data. And number 10, AI will happily say, that is perfect, and yes, what can I do next for you? And your strategy still must be what says no. That's it for now. More coming soon. Many more calls this week. Go boldly.